Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 1, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications straight from the top, expand it, and somewhere between those toggles you should find a screen recording toggle. There we go. Not sure why I didn't want to swipe before. So it looks like my screen recording is right here on the third page. So once you locate it, you can hold it the first time around just so you can get to know what the settings are. So, or is there no settings? Yep, it looks like there is no settings. So it looks like the only settings that we actually get is when you tap on it, which is options for audio recording and also to show the touches on the screen. Now under these, the audio, we have a couple different things. So we have microphone, a device audio, or both. If you're planning to use both, I do recommend using headphones for that, just because recording both at the same time without headphones, so when the sound is coming through the speaker, could create an undesirable echo effect. But I'll be only recording the device audio. Now obviously if you don't want to record any kind of audio, just toggle it off. And from here we can tap on start. It will begin a countdown and then record. So whatever application you'll open right now will be recorded. And once you're done with it, you can pull down your notifications and basically tap on this to stop it. Oh, there we go. Now, once the video recording, or screen recording more precisely, has been stopped, it will be automatically saved to the photo gallery. So I'm gonna quickly open that up. There we go. Now, normally when you're in your photo gallery, I believe you should be like right on here in the photos category. So navigate to the library, and in here you'll find movies. That's probably one of them where you'll find the screen recording. And let's see, it looks like, okay, so it looks like it's going to be only in the movies section. Sometimes on different devices it can also get saved under screenshots, but it looks like that's not the case right here. When you tap on it, it should start playing screen recording, so you can see it right over here. So anyway, that is how you can record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.